Okay, so hi dear Pisces, it's a 7 day, 7 Oshus and Tarot messages for all the Pisces, Sun, Moon, Venus rising from today till the 29th of December. You can take it as messages, guidance, or simply plain challenges or obstacles on your path in this week. If you want to be a reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. The link is in the description box for the same. If you want to start your self-healing journey with Ho'oponopono but don't know from where to start, you can definitely start by purchasing my masterclass. Again, the link is in the description box for the same. And if you want one-on-one healing sessions or personal readings, you can check out the description box and you can book your slots or mail me. I don't know why I did that. Felt like a kid. My mom used to do that a lot when I was a kid. I was very fluffy. Right now also I am, but I used to be very fat when I was a kid. Golu molu kind of. 23rd, the inner voice. So the more you are going to listen to your inner voice instead of chatterbox outside of you, the more you are going to get good guidance and the more you will be able to sort out your own problems within yourself that you are going through from quite a long time now, I guess. From For some of you are suffering from 2 years and you're listening to a lot of people and you're trying to make everyone happy but yourself. Don't do that. You should be the happiest first, then you will be having the power to make everybody happy. Try this, okay? It should be reverse. 24th, we have the miser. So you might feel like, okay, you have less resources or you can't share your resources with anybody because of limited resources. Like you are going to be in some kind of lack mindset. The more you are going to go in that lack mindset, more you are going to attract it towards yourself. So instead of going in the lack mindset, go in the gratitude mindset. So whatever you have right now, stay grateful for that. Practice gratitude as much as you can throughout this day, and you will be amazed. By the end of the day, you will feel grateful for everything, and you are going to feel abundant and prosperous. It's like mindset change. Okay. 25th, we have the laziness. On the 25th of December, you might be just enjoying your festivities. You might be just in this energy of, okay, I will do everything tomorrow, or I'll take an off, or I'll do something. Okay, enjoy your day to the fullest, definitely, but at the same time, do not procrastinate important things that you should be doing at that day only. Okay, very important. Just finish whatever is going to bother you afterwards and then enjoy your day to the fullest. Okay, honey. 26, we have the conditioning. So yeah, you might understand certain points that whatever you thought that you are till this point of time, you're going to experience that you're totally exactly opposite of that. The conditioning, the limiting beliefs that were stopping you from being different will still stop you if you are not going to do something about it at this time now, when you're realizing you're not fitting in the box anymore. 27, the silence. Okay, again, come back to yourself. You are your home. Your home is not outside, it's inside. The more you are going to be in the silence, the more you are going to be at peace with yourself, the more you are going to have a happy life outside of yourself. So whenever you are getting conflicted, chaotic, or like in some kind of chaos, come back to yourself, honey. Listen to your inner voice. Okay, and sit in silence with yourself at least for 10 minutes a day. Good practice. 27th, healing. So you have to be vulnerable in front of in front of somebody who can help you to heal those parts of your life that you are not able to heal and release properly. A good healer, a therapist, a guru, a mentor, a friend, somebody who can definitely help you to heal a situation where you are feeling stuck in your life. So this is the right time to connect with somebody who can help you to move ahead in your life. 29th, we have the rebirth. So yeah, rebirth is not a easy process. You're going to feel your old self is dying. Your old self is not working the way it used to work till this point of your time. You are coming out of a space where everything is feeling different. Everything is making you feel different. But at the same time, if you are going to play with the music, with the flow of life, this difficult chapter is going to give you a very beautiful vibe at the end. Not easy, but just try to go with the symphony. Just try to sing with the sing with the I don't know what instruments playing in the background. Make it a film, make it a movie, and go with the flow. Okay, rebirth is not easy, but it can become easy if you are going to have this mindset of, okay, cool, bring it on. Yeah. So yeah, I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.